Have you ever wondered what chemistry really is? Not the kind in boring science books, but the chemistry that's happening all around you every single day. Well, chemistry is simply the science of matter, what everything is made of, and how it changes. It's all about tiny particles called atoms. They're so small you can't see them without a microscope, but these little guys make up everything you see, touch, and even smell. Atoms can come together to create new stuff called molecules. Think of it like building blocks. Different combinations make different things. Like the hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom can make water. That's H2O. Get those atoms in the wrong order or mix them with something else entirely, and you get something completely new. That's chemistry. It's not just about creating new things. Chemistry is also about breaking things down. Ever wondered how your food digests? How a plant grows? How you turn milk into cheese? These are all chemical processes. Tiny parts are rearranged, broken down, or transformed into something new. And all these processes, building, breaking, transforming, are called chemical reactions. When atoms and molecules interact with each other, they might keep unchanged, or they might undergo a chemical reaction where they rearrange themselves into new combinations. That's why chemistry is everywhere. You don't need a lab coat or test tubes to see chemistry. Take your clothes. For example, whether it's soft cotton or stretchy nylon, every fiber is made using chemistry. Even the color and texture of makeup, yep, chemistry makes it all possible. Now step into your kitchen. That's your personal chemistry lab. When you mix vinegar with baking soda and it starts bubbling like a volcano, that's a chemical reaction. The vinegar is an acid and the baking soda is a base. When they meet, they react and release carbon dioxide gas, creating fizz and fun. And chemistry isn't just in reactions, it's in smells too. Ever smelled a ripe mango and instantly felt hungry? That mouth-watering smell comes from chemicals called esters. They create those sweet, fruity scents you'll love. And onions, oh yes. When you cut an onion, it releases a chemical that turns into a mild acid when it touches the air. That acid reaches your eyes and suddenly, you're crying. But it's not sadness, it's science. See, chemistry is in your life already, making your clothes colorful, your food tasty, your flowers fragrant. It's even in your emotions. You know how you feel happy sometimes and sad others. Your brain uses chemical signals to think and feel. These special chemicals are called neurotransmitters. When you're happy, your brain releases a neurotransmitter called serotonin. It's like a tiny messenger that makes you feel good. And when you're sad, another neurotransmitter called dopamine drops. So instead of feeling blue, think of it as chemistry in your brain. Want to see some more chemistry in action? Try this at home. Safely, of course. Take a small cup of vinegar. Add a spoon of baking soda, then slowly pour half a cup of water into the mixture. Step back and watch it fizz like a mini explosion. That's chemistry you can feel. So now you know chemistry isn't just about memorizing formulas or complicated experiments. It's about understanding the world around you, the stuff that makes life possible. From the clothes on your back to the smile on your face, chemistry is everywhere, even in you. It's the reason why a tiny seed can grow into a giant tree, why you can digest your food, why you can even think. It's the amazing science of everything. And if you want to explore more of that amazing science, subscribe for more fun science videos. We have all sorts of cool stuff planned. Experiments, demonstrations, reactions. Maybe you'll even discover a new passion for science.